Okay, quick and easy welder glue hinge. First thing you need to do, bevel the surfaces if they aren't already, like such. So you've got your two surfaces beveled. Then what I do, butt the surfaces together, a little pack of hot glue on each end. Once that's cool, your surfaces are basically hinged already, but you don't have a full hinge. So after they're tacked with the hot glue, you just run a little bead of welder glue down the hinge. Take a straight edge and smooth it out, and that's the size of it. Easy to do.